Let me ask you something. When was the last time a foldable phone actually made you feel something? Not impressed. Not curious. But genuinely excited. Because for a long time, foldables have been fine. Clever ideas. Expensive experiments. Devices you admire in videos but never fully trust in your pocket. And then I started hearing these whispers. Not about faster chips. Not about thinner glass. But about a foldable that simply feels right. Samsung is rumored to be working on something called the Galaxy Wide Fold, and the name sounds simple, but the idea behind it isn't. Instead of stretching screens taller and taller, this one goes wider. And that small shift changes everything. Open it up, and suddenly content relaxes. Videos don't feel squeezed. Apps stop fighting for space. Multitasking feels calm instead of chaotic. It's the first time a foldable sounds like it was designed around how people actually use screens, not how impressive the specs look on a slide. And here's the part that surprised me most. The S Pen might be coming back. Not slapped on. Not forced in. But rethought. A stylus that finally belongs on a foldable, on a wide, balanced surface that invites writing, sketching, and note-taking again. The kind of experience that makes you slow down and actually use the device, instead of just scrolling past life. But there's something else happening beneath the surface. Samsung may have reworked the very bones of the display. A new structure that spreads pressure instead of punishing the center of the screen. In plain terms, the crease, that unavoidable reminder you're using fragile tech, could finally stop stealing your attention. And behind closed doors, the clues are stacking up. Fold 8. Flip 8. And a third foldable that doesn't fit the old pattern at all. That tells me this isn't experimentation anymore. This is direction. Add smarter software, AI that understands wide screens, and battery life built for real days, not demo tables, and suddenly this feels less like future tech. And more like something you'd actually want to live with. So here's what I want to know. If foldables finally stop feeling awkward, would you give them another chance? Would a wide foldable replace your tablet? Your notebook? Maybe even your laptop? Drop your thoughts below. Because if these whispers turn out to be real, this might be the quiet moment when foldables finally grow up. And honestly, it's about time.